Welcome to Practice Perfect, the digital study aid designed to help you conquer challenging topics in your course. Let's begin on the video library, where you'll find your recommended video, your 2 most recently watched videos, and all topic videos in the course area. View the videos by thumbnail or list layout. If you're looking for a specific topic, use the search bar to narrow down your results. On the video page, choose between interactive or continuous play for your video mode. Continuous play mode is best for listening on the go, while interactive mode enables you to instantly apply your knowledge by answering multiple choice questions interspersed throughout the video. For each video quiz, you can choose between practice mode and graded mode. Practice quizzes allow you to see the answer and rationale as you work through the quiz. Graded quizzes are scored and appear on your progress dashboards, which we'll look at in a moment. After submitting your quiz, you'll receive a report of your performance. Expand a question to view your answer, the correct answer, and the rationale. You can return to these results at any time from the video page. Click Quizzes, which will direct you to the PracticePerfect Quiz Center. Here, you'll find comparative quizzes, which interleave topics and provide even more great questions to help you prepare for exams. Or test your issue spotting abilities by building your own quiz. Select multiple topics and customize the number of questions and time limit for the quiz. Your performance on every graded quiz is captured on your progress dashboards. Click Progress to view your confidence dashboard. Your confidence level measures your performance across all topics in PracticePerfect and factors in how recently you completed quizzes. You'll know it's time to retest your knowledge when your progress bars begin to fade. From this page, you can click the drop-down menu to view your Quiz Center progress. This dashboard collects all scores from the quizzes you created in the Quiz Center, so you can track your progress over time. Finally, the Video Quiz Progress dashboard shows you your most recent score on each video quiz taken from the video page, and enables you to identify topics you may find challenging. Self-quizzing is one of the most effective ways to lock in your learning. With videos, quizzes, and progress dashboards, we hope PracticePerfect sets you up for success in your course. Best of luck!